just yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away.
Okay.
You look like Donald Trump, you told me.
I'm just saying, listen here.
We couldn't resist the waves today.
We couldn't. They were so good. People were surfing like crazy. And we were in the water for a really long time. Hence, this color. Mom was wearing her sunglasses. And, you want to show them?
So she says I look like Donald Trump because I have whites.
Because you know, he does that spray tan thing, so he puts those goggles on. And you look like you had them goggles on while you got a little dark.
Even it out tomorrow.
But I look burnt.
And now you know it.